Back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to customize breathing exercises in Breathwrk. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to customize breathing exercises in Breathwrk, you need to simply go to Breathwrk. Once you're in Breathwrk, you can simply create your own routines based on different techniques, like adjusting the timing of your inhales, holds, and exhales, or by combining techniques for a specific mood or goal. The app will offer features like guided classes and challenges, but you can also build custom exercises from the ground up by setting a specific intention and adjusting the duration, intensity, and breathe holds to suit your needs. So you can adjust timing, choose a different type of breathe, create habit, and you can simply create some routines to feel energized, to relax, to calm anxiety and stuff. So this way you can customize breathing exercises in Breathwrk. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.